How to fix can't log in to Facebook. So if you want to fix can't log in to Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. You'll need a signal to receive the code. So you just need simply wait for a few minutes till you receive the code and your problem might be fixed. But if your internet connection is good, and even after that, if you're not being able to connect to your Facebook or log into your Facebook, then you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, if you have any updates, then you just need simply go with update under your Facebook, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. Even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Go with the app info. From here, go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and then make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. And once you've done, you need to restart your device and you'll be able to log into your Facebook. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.